cab, cable, cage, cake, call, com, camera, camp, can, canal, cancel, candle, candy, cap, capital, captain, car, card, care, career, careful, carpet, carrot, carry, case, castle, catch, category, cause, ceiling, celebrate, sell, center, century, share, chance, change, channel, chapter, character, charge, charity, chart, chase, sheep, check, shear, cheese, chef, chemistry, chest, chicken, child, shill, shin, choice, choose, church, circle, city, class, classic, clean, clear, clerk, click, client, climb, clock, close, cloth, cloud, club, clue, coach, coal, coast, coat, code, coffee, coin, cold, collect, college, color, come, comfort, comic, common, company, compare, complete, computer, concern, concert, condition, confirm, connect, consider, contact, content, contest, continue, control, convenient, cook, cool, cooperate, copy, corner, correct, cost, cotton, count, country, couple, courage, course, cover, cow, create, credit, crew, crime, crisis, critic, cross, crowd, crown, culture, cup, cure, curious, current, curtain, custom, customer, cut, cycle, daily, damage, dance, danger, dark, data, date, daughter, day, dead, deal, dear, death, debate, debt, decade, decide, decision, declare, decrease, deep, dear, defeat, defend, defense, define, degree, delay, deliver, demand, democracy, demonstrate, deny, depend, deposit, describe, desert, design, desire, desk, detail, detect, develop, device, devote, diagram, dial, diamond, diary, dictionary, die, diet, differ, difference, different, difficult, did, dinner, direct, direction, director, dirty, disappear, disaster, discipline, discover, discuss, disease, dish, dismiss, display, distance, district, divide, doctor, document, dog, door, dot, double, doubt, down, download, drag, drama, draw, dream, dress, drink, drive, drop, dry, do, during, dust, duty, dynamic, eagle, ear, early, earn, earth, earthquake, easily, east, eat, eating, echo, economics, economy, edge, edit, education, effect, effective, effort, egg, eight, either, elastic, elder, elect, election, electric, electricity, elegant, element, elephant, elevator, 11, eligible, eliminate, elite, else, email, embark, embrace, emergency, emotion, empathy, emperor, emphasize, empire, employ, employee, employer, employment, empt, enable, enact, encourage, end, ending, endless, endure, energy, enforce, engage, engine, engineer, engineering, enhance, enjoy, enlarge, enough, enroll, insure, enterprise, entertainment, enthusiasm, entire, entrance, entry, envelope, environment, environmental, envy, equal, equality, equation, equator, equip, equipment, equivalent, era, erase, ergonomic, error, escape, especially, essay, essential, establish, estate, estimate, eternal, ethical, ethics, evaluate, even, evening, event, eventually, ever, every, everybody, every day, everyone, everything, everywhere, evidence, evil, evolve, exact, exactly, exam, examine, example, exceed, excel, excellent, accept, exception, exchange, excite, excited, excitement, exciting, exclude, excuse, execute, executive, exercise, exhaust, exhibit, exile, exist, existence, exit, expand, expect, expectation, expedition, expense, expensive, experience, experiment, expert, explain, explanation, explicit, explore, explosion, export, expose, exposure, express, expression, extend, extension, extensive, extent, external, extra, extract, extraordinary, extreme, eyebrow, eyelid, eyesight, e-learning, e-book, e-commerce, email, e-payment, e-signature, etiquette, ewalt,